Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a ledger in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, you'll access the Alteration menu, which is your starting point for making changes. Next, select the specific ledger you need to modify from the list. Remember, replacing a ledger usually involves either altering its details or, if necessary, deleting it and creating a new one. This process ensures your financial records remain accurate and up to date. Once you've selected the ledger alteration screen will appear. Here, you can modify various details such as the ledger's name, its group classification, or any other relevant information. If needed, you can also adjust the opening balance, but note that the closing balance for stock in hand cannot be changed manually. After making all your desired modifications, simply press Ctrl+A to save and accept the changes. If you need to completely replace a ledger, you might consider deleting it and creating a new one. To delete, open the ledger in the Alteration screen and press Alt+D. Tally Prime will ask for confirmation. However, it's crucial to remember that you cannot delete a ledger if any transactions are associated with it. If deletion is possible, you can then proceed to create a new ledger with the accurate details, ensuring a clean start for that account. For efficiency, Tally Prime offers a multi-alter option, allowing you to change several ledgers simultaneously from the chart of accounts. While this is a massive time saver for broad changes, be aware that not all detailed fields are accessible in multi-alter mode. Always double-check your entries before saving to maintain data accuracy. If a ledger name doesn't update immediately, try restarting Tally Prime. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.